You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase in English. If you want to learn more biblical names, vocabulary from the Bible, make sure to stay tuned. There are more videos for you to learn from. Two different pronunciations. It's God's promises to David. The Davidic covenant, although it can also be pronounced as Davidic covenant, the Davidic covenant, or the Davidic covenant. Two pronunciations are correct in English, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.